Igbo Maman.
Wow, Ukwamaka Challenge Season 2. Who will be the next queen and king of Igbo heritage? Star prize 3 million naira cash plus grand ambassador contract and trip to Ghana.
Igbo Maman.
Wow, consolation prizes, phones, laptops, headphones, customized Igbo outfits and more. Open to young adults. Application is open to Wednesday 30th of September 2020. Pick up your registration form today. Pay 2,000 naira to Epic Heritage Hub. Account 140-823-7537. Access Bank PLC. WhatsApp your evidence of payment to 090-6066-9732 to get the Ukwamaka ebook and form to fill. For inquiries and sponsorship, call 090-6066-9732. Ukwamaka Reality Show. Building a sustainable society through human productivity. Powered by Epic Heritage Hub. Terms and conditions apply. Be there.
Igbo Maman.